Hi there, this is Catherine River Rain, and this is your River Rain Astrology. I hope you'll join me as I take you through metaphors and messages for this month. Peace. Hello, Sagittarius. Happy birthday to all of you, and happy holiday season. So I'm Catherine, and this is my River Rain Astrology for the month of December for you. Every month I do a meditation on usually a nature scene that matches what I feel for the season, for the month. And this month is a wooded path full of snow in a but it's going towards sort of a portal. It's not in your average woods. Aha! It has something mystical about it. And I chose that because there's a very interesting configuration of planets in the skies in the middle of the month of December. So maybe for those of you born around 14th, 16th, something along those lines, you're going to feel this amazing energy. There are two parallel harmonious aspects that don't touch. Very often you'll see the configuration of all of the aspects or relationships of the planets. They're going to be crisscrossed, they're going to be at odds, they're going to be squares. Sometimes they're call it T-squares, sometimes there's an actual box-like square, sometimes a cross, other times everything's just like webbed down on one side, or sometimes it doesn't look like there's much going on at all. And so this configuration I thought was quite special because you have two harmonious aspects and they're literally paralleling each other perfectly in the chart around that time. And so this gave me this feeling of a gateway or an opening. So I'm hoping that all of you feel it and that something great happens out of that. It gave me a very, very good feeling of something, of the energies opening up, if you want to call it ascension, raising of vibration, opportunity. So I also saw along this forest path a man walking with a satchel with arrows. So he wasn't, as I have in my website picture, actually taking aim yet. He wasn't drawing back the bow. He was walking confidently and a little bit sort of not aggressively, but let's say very determined way, with his satchel or container full of arrows ready to use, and his bow is at his side ready to use. And so definitely this gave me the feeling of somebody actively hunting for what they want. So that led me to feel that this year, your personal new year, is a great time for taking aim. So, as the hunter, we can walk around in the woods aimlessly looking for something, for prey, for food, for target practice. You can shoot your arrows off in every direction, but what works best, of course, right, is when the person has a target and has proper technique and strength and can withstand the ricochet that happens when you draw back the bow. So this is a time to make your vision boards, to write out your goals, to make your motivations clear, and to really decide to go for it. So I know that you are the sign of the archer, and this could seem very cliche that I saw this, but I genuinely did see this in my meditation. I thought how apt. So maybe it's sort of a coming home kind of time, or a real honoring your authentic self time for Sagittarians. So I wish you lovely holiday season. If you would like a reading, I'm available online and in person. You can reach me at river-rain.com, or you can add me to Facebook, like the page, Clairvoyant Medium Catherine River Rain, and you'll see all my events and other astrological posts, so we can keep in touch that way. Have a great, great holiday, and a happy, happy birthday.